The nice hill dresser is a versatile piece of furniture designed for use in the bedroom. It features 5 drawers, providing ample storage space for clothes, accessories, and other items. The dresser is made of wood board, which adds durability and a classic look to the overall design. The drawers are covered with fabric in a black and gray color scheme, giving the dresser a stylish and contemporary appearance. With its wide design, the nice hill dresser can also be used as a storage solution in a closet or as a TV stand with additional storage drawers. This makes it a versatile piece that can serve multiple purposes in different rooms of the house. The dresser is equipped with a storage drawer organizer, which helps keep your belongings neatly arranged and easily accessible. This feature is particularly useful for organizing smaller items or dividing the space for different types of clothing or accessories. Overall, the nice hill dresser offers a functional and aesthetically pleasing storage solution for your bedroom or other areas of the home. Its combination of woodboard construction, fabric drawers, and versatile design makes it a practical and stylish addition to any living space.